And they're off and running. An early lead is taken by Primavera from the outside, Sir Frederick by the rail. And in between horses, Madame Leonora and Boogie Sus again is Marty Gibson, Janie Cole. And bringing up the rear is Western Chump. And heading for the backstretch, the lead is taken over now by Sir Frederick, followed by Madame Leonora on the outside. Boogie Sus again by the rail in third, Primavera. And it's Marty Gibson moving up on the outside. At the mid-back stretch, it is still Sir Frederick, followed by Boogie Sus again on the outside. Riding in third is Madame Leonora, is Marty Gibson, and Primavera, Janie Cole, and Western Chump. Rounding the far turn, it is still Sir Frederick in the lead by 3.5 lengths, followed by Madame Leonora in second, and Boogie Sus again by the rail in third, and closing in is Marty Gibson, Primavera, Janie Cole, and Western Chump. At the last bend for home, it is still Sir Frederick in the lead, followed by Madame Leonora on the outside. It's Marty Gibson, Boogie Sus again. At the top of the straight, it is still Sir Frederick in the lead by 3.5 lengths, followed by Madame Leonora on the outside. And entry number 1, Janie Cole moving up in between horses. But it's still Sir Frederick in the lead, followed by Janie Cole and Madame Leonora on the further outside. It's Sir Frederick moving up on the outside, Janie Cole, Madame Leonora on the further outside. It's Sir Frederick by the rail and Janie Cole moving up on the outside. And finally, Janie Cole, Sir Frederick, Madame Leonora, Western Chump, is Marty Gibson, Boogie Sus again, and Primavera.